And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Grammy Award-winning reggae artist Buju Banton recently connected with his fans in Europe through his Long Walk to Freedom tour. Banton performed at Summer Jam in Cologne, Germany over the weekend, the largest of the European festivals, right before headlining another live festival in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The Long Walk to Freedom tour started in March with the homecoming at Jamaica's National Stadium. Buju Banton's next major show is Reggae Sumfest on July 20 in Montego Bay. He returns to Europe late this month and in August for gigs in Switzerland, Portugal, France, and Belgium.
What a mighty, oh, what a mighty, oh, what a mighty trade. You can know what a mighty, oh, what a mighty word, what a mighty trade. Oh, what a mighty trade.
New reggae sensation Coffee is currently in celebration mode as her hit track Toast has gained over 50 million views on YouTube. Yeah, 50 million. In a social media post, Coffee thanked her fans for their continuous support. The Rapture singer has been dominating the scene with her catchy lyrics. Her debut EP Rapture is currently in the number 5 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Coffee was recently announced as the newest addition to the Caribbean Airlines Reggae Sumfest show. She is scheduled to take the stage on July 19 with other top acts like Chronix, Spice, Dexter Daps, Governor, among others. Dancehall artist Jamil is gearing up to release his debut album dubbed Great Man. The album will feature 12 tracks including Don't Wanna Lose You, the lead single, which is produced by Chimney Records, Treasure, which is produced by DJ Frass. The set also features collaborations with up-and-coming singer Moyan and Taurus Riley. The album will be released on July 26. Jamil's Great Man Summer Tour is also set to make stops in Austria, Germany, Sweden, Antigua, and St. Kitts. The Live Without Limits singer emerged on the scene back in 2015 with the hit song Gain the World and later released tracks like Strongest Soldier, Better Tomorrow, among others. On the international scene, American rapper Gucci Mane has released his new album dubbed Delusions of Grandeur. The album features 18 tracks and saw guest appearances from the likes of Meek Mill, Justin Bieber, Lil Uzi Vert, Gunna, Wiz Khalifa, Jeremiah, among others. Delusions of Grandeur is Gucci Mane's follow-up album to his 2018 project Evil Genius, which debuted in the top 10 on Billboard 200 chart. This new album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard's Rap Albums chart. This set, released June 21, started with 32,000 equivalent album units earned in the week ending June 27. Delusions of Grandeur features tracks such as Bust Down, I Superstar, Upgrade, Lame, among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.